be some solution, but I just don't know. Buses want decisions, workers need ambitions, dropping no collisions when they move so slow. Nothing ever happens, nothing really matters. No one ever tells me what am I to know. So what am I to know? You wanna read about it, read about it. One unjust, ridiculous